Hey everyone, welcome back to the Car Updates. The A3's design is a perfect blend of sportiness and sophistication. The iconic Audi single-frame grille, combined with sharp lines and dynamic proportions, creates a visually striking appearance. The car's athletic stance hints at the driving experience that awaits. Interior. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that exudes luxury and modernity. The interior is meticulously crafted with high-quality materials and attention to detail. The driver-oriented cockpit places all controls within easy reach. The latest iteration of Audi's MMI infotainment system offers intuitive operation and seamless connectivity. The 2025 A3 offers a range of engine options to suit different preferences. From efficient yet spirited gasoline engines to plug-in hybrid variants, there's a powertrain for every driver. The car's agile handling and precise steering make it a joy to drive on both city streets and winding roads. The A3's combination of power, handling and comfort makes it a versatile companion. Whether you're commuting to work or embarking on a weekend getaway, it delivers a refined and engaging driving experience. Audi's commitment to safety is evident in the A3. A comprehensive suite of driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, provides an added layer of security. The 2025 Audi A3 is more than just a car, it's a statement of style and sophistication. It combines cutting-edge technology with timeless elegance, making it a standout in its class. The Audi A3 progressed through design. Highlight any unique features or options that set the 2025 A3 apart from its competitors.